Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Izzati binti Azizi. Our project is about developing a hand gesture recognition system using artificial intelligence (AI). Nowadays, AI is widely used in many modern applications. For example, AI can be used in image recognition, face detection, smart assistant, and automate system. AI helps computer understand information and make prediction based on the data given. In our project, we focus on hand gesture recognition. Hand gesture recognition allow a user to interact with a computer without using traditional device such as keyboard, mouse, and or touchscreen. Instead, user can simply show a hand gesture in front of a webcam and the system will identify the gesture. To develop the system, we use Google Teachable Machine. Teachable Machine is a simple platform that allows us to create and train a machine learning model without needing advanced programming skill. We collect image sample for each gesture, train the model and then test whether the system can recognize the gesture correctly. Our system is trained to recognize 4 hand gesture. The first gesture is thumbs up, which represents yes. The second gesture is open palm, which represents stop. The third gesture is the peace sign, which represents okay. Finally is the thumbs down, which represents no. Overall, the project demonstrates how AI and computer vision can be used to create a simple touchless interaction between human and computer. It also shows that the hand gesture can be used an easier and more natural way to give command to a system.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Wardah and I will present our project titled Hand Gesture Recognition System using Teachable Machine. So, for our project background, our project focus on applying artificial intelligence or AI in a real-world application. Nowadays, AI is widely used in many areas such as image recognition, speech recognition, and smart system. One important field of AI is computer vision, which allow computer to understand and interpret visual information from image and video. Traditional input devices such as keyboards, mice, and touchscreen require physical contact. However, with the advancement of technology, there is a growing demand for more natural and touchless ways for humans to interact with computer. Hand gesture recognition provide a solution by allowing user to control or communicate with a system using simple hand movement. Since hand gestures are commonly used in daily communication and easy to understand, they are suitable for building an interactive recognition system. Therefore, in this project, we use Google Teachable Machine to develop a system that can recognize 4 hand gestures, which is thumbs up for yes, palm for stop, peace sign for okay, and thumbs down for no. Okay then, I will proceed with the objective of this project. So, firstly, the objective of this project to develop a hand gesture recognition system that allow user to interact with a computer through simple hand gesture without requiring physical contact. So, second one, to train the machine learning model using Teachable Machine to accurately recognize 4 hand gesture, namely thumbs up, palm, peace sign, and thumbs down. So, I will proceed with the third objective of the project is to integrate the trained model into a web-based interface so that the user can perform gesture recognition in real time using a webcam. So, final one is to evaluate the performance of the system under different conditions such as lighting, background, and hand position to ensure reliable gesture recognition.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ufa Muswira binti Masrial. My metric number is B032510T05 and in this slide, I will explain about the scope of our project, which is development of a hand gesture recognition system using Google Teachable Machine. So, the system is designed to recognize 4 basic gestures, which the first one is thumbs up for yes, palm for stop, peace for okay, and thumb down for no. So, to achieve this, we collect a gesture image using a webcam under different conditions. These images are then used to train and optimize an image classification model. Next, the trained model is integrated into a web-based interface, allowing real-time interaction, and we also test the system for accuracy, response time, and usability to ensure it's performed effectively. Finally, the project demonstrates real-time gesture recognition, showing how simple hand movement can be used as a command in interactive system. Now, let me explain about the significance of our project. This hand gesture recognition system demonstrates the practical use of artificial intelligence and computer visions. It provides a touchless and intuitive way to interact with technology, which is especially useful in today's world. So, these are several real-world applications, such as accessibility tools for people with disabilities, interactive gaming, smart home system, and other touchless interface. From an education perspective, this project helps students to understand the full of AI workflow, including data collection, model training, testing, and evaluation. Most important, it encourages the adoption of AI technology in daily life, showing how simple hand gesture can make technology more natural and user-friendly. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Siti Nurana Nadiha. Today I would like to explain about the methodology and implementation. So for the first slide is the methodology. For methodology of this project, there are three main stages. That is data collection, model training, and testing. So the first stage is data collection, where we collected the hand gesture sample using a webcam in teachable machine. So the four gesture class were named thumbs up, that equal to yes, palm equal to stop, peace equal to okay, and thumbs down is equal to no. So approximately around 40 to 45 samples were collected for each gesture. So for the second stage is model training. So after we collecting all the sample, the image was being uploaded into the teachable machine, and the teachable machine will train the model by learning the unique patterns of each feature and each hand gesture. So this process allows the model to differentiate between the four gesture class. So for the final stage is testing. So testing is when the training process was complete. The model was tested using a live webcam. Different hand gesture was shown at the camera, and the system will predict the corresponding output in real time. So overall, this methodology enabled the successful development of a hand gesture recognition system that can classify gesture and provide the correct output. Okay, now in the implementation part, so the tool used is teachable machine, webcam, and web browser such as Google. So like I told you in the methodology part, there are four classes that we use. That is thumbs up, thumbs down, palm, and peace, that has their own output. So after the model was successfully trained, so it can be used in a real-time webcam. So the screenshot below show the hand gesture thumbs up. The output show 100%, 99% yes. And for the second screenshot is thumbs down, that show output no. So this showed that the model was able to recognize the gesture and produce the correct output based on the user hand's movement. But there are some lack of the system, that is not every gesture have 100% output, because there are some angle that we are not taken, so it will not have a 100% output. So just that from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, our hand gesture recognition system was successfully developed using Google Teachable Machine. The system is able to recognize four hand gesture, which is yes, stop, okay, and no in real time. However, during testing, we found that the accuracy that be affected by several factors such as lighting, background, hand position and camera angle. This means that the model performs better when the tester is shown theory and in conditions that are similar to the training data. Through this project, we gain a better understanding of how AI image classification works, especially the process of collecting data, training the model and testing the result. For future improvement, we can add more image samples with different angle, lighting and background. We can also include more tester classes so that the system can be used in wider applications such as smart home, games or touchless control system. Thank you.